Hello everyone, welcome to Crystal's Creations. I planted pepper seeds in Dollar Tree potting soil just about 2 weeks ago. Let's see how they're doing. You may have seen my video from early in February when I started these pepper seeds in Dollar Tree potting soil. And here we are. As you can see, we've had some pretty good germination. I'd say it looks like 7 out of 8 cells have little seedlings breaking through the soil. Overall, I think the Dollar Tree potting soil has worked well. It is definitely an option for a tight budget. I'll be sure to bring you along so you can see how these little seedlings progress and grow throughout the season. And if you look closely, you can even see in these cells where more than one seedling has broken through. So I'll keep you informed, and we'll see if these seedlings are any more or less healthy than the ones that I start in more costly garden materials. I just don't believe gardening has to be complicated or really expensive. Thank you for watching.